tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Hey, good morning. This is one of those days where our sky cams are shaking because of the wind. And if we keep an eye on this sky cam really closely, eventually it'll start rocking up and down. And we do have one or two slick spots on area roads, and our temperatures are still well below freezing. So be careful if you're heading out. You might have a few of those spots that you run into on your commute. And you'll also notice that wind. Look at it. It's out of the southeast at 15 to even 20 miles per hour. That's just sustained winds, and we're seeing gusts much higher than that. So it's going to be breezy all day today as we see a clipper system move in from the west. Now here's a look at temperatures. Right now we're sitting in the low 20s. We've actually started to climb just a couple of degrees, and that's what's going to happen all day today. We're going to start to see our temperatures climb a little bit faster than usual as they get a little extra push from this system that's moving in. So if we zoom in on West Michigan, you can see that cloud cover filling in from the west. And if we begin to zoom out and look at this whole system, you'll notice that it covers the entire Great Lakes region, and it's mainly that upper level cloud cover that we're seeing pushing in. Starts to get thicker once we look at Minneapolis, moving on down towards Omaha, and that's actually where we're starting to see some of the precipitation. It's not a lot. If we look at Storm Track Live, you can see it's mainly confined to the north, and most of this system is going to sweep to our north. In fact, we're probably going to see the most out of this after this system passes, because it'll have just enough cold air to start one or two lake effect snow showers, and those are going to be really light. So yes, we do have some rain, some mix that might come in this evening, but it's not looking like it's going to be much. Just be aware that it's probably going to make itself known at about 6 o'clock this evening. So that's when it'll start to get a little bit damp outside, in addition to those windy conditions. So here's a look at today. 40. We actually have a chance at hitting 40. You got a better chance, especially if you're south of I-96. So around I-94, probably the best chance, but everyone has that chance today, and that's going to be the warmest of the month. We've been in the 30s and the teens for this entire month. So if we hit 40 today, that'll be the warmest that we'll see this entire month. All right, if we look at how we track through your futurecast, notice a lot of cloud cover. Then once we get to this evening, we have that chance of rain and snow, just light though. We're not expecting much accumulation. And then after this clipper passes, we start to see that cooler air filter on in. So then by the time we get to Sunday, it's just light snow showers coming in off of the lake. And again, we're not expecting much, maybe a dusting out of this. So your 8-day forecast shows 60% chance for showers on Sunday. That means a lot of people are going to see snow, but again, not a lot of accumulation. Notice Tuesday though, that's the day that we're thinking about 1 to 3 inches could fall. And it'll probably be a better chance along the lake because of lake enhancement. Temperatures, though, not that bad. We're not seeing any of those big swings up or down. Instead, it looks like we're going to be staying near that 30-degree mark. Now, Mark, I was looking at the really extended forecast, and I will be talking about that coming up. Looks like our temperatures do take a dive by the end of the month.
All right, so we have to, kind of take
Enjoy
advantage
it.
of the 40s right now, even with a little bit of wind. It's all right. Well,